How to do arbitrage crypto. Crypto arbitrage involves buying a cryptocurrency at a lower price on one exchange and selling it at a higher price on another. Here's a brief guide on how to do it. Research exchanges. Identify exchanges with price discrepancies. Use tools or websites that track price differences across exchanges. Create accounts. Open accounts on multiple exchanges where you plan to trade. Complete all necessary verification processes. Deposit funds. Transfer funds to the exchanges where you'll be buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Monitor prices. Keep track of price differences between the exchanges. Set alerts if possible. Execute trades. Buy the cryptocurrency at the lower price on one exchange and sell it at the higher price on the other. Transfer funds. Ensure you can quickly transfer funds between exchanges to capitalize on price differences. Calculate fees. Be aware of transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and other costs to ensure the arbitrage opportunity remains profitable. Stay updated. Crypto markets are highly volatile, so stay informed about market trends and changes in fees or regulations. Arbitrage opportunities can be fleeting and may involve risks, including transfer delays and price slippage.